My name is Miss Mendez, and today we'll be talking about half-life. And the formula for half-life we'll be using is A equals A sub 0 1/2 T over H. This would be your end amount. This is your start amount. This is just 1/2 your time, and then your half-life. Why is half-life important? Half-life of a drug is the amount of time it takes before half of the active element are either eliminated or broken down by the body. Nataysia, why are you sleeping in my class?
What?
Why are you sleeping? You should be taking notes.
I have a headache.
Half-life can solve that. And the drug we'll be using for half-life is
ibuprofen.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Okay, so how many milligrams or pills do you usually take?
I usually take 2 pills, which is 200 milligrams each.
So you'll be starting with 400 milligrams. So your start amount would be 400 milligrams. And how long does it usually take for it to kick in?
It takes about 2 hours.
So your half-life would be 2 hours. So then you're going to plug it into the formula. Remember, A equals A sub 0 1/2 T over H. So part A. So A equals 400, which is your start amount, 1/2 T over 2. Part B. So you're going to do it after one time period. And then you restart with your equation, but plug in 1. So it'll be A equals 400, 1/2, 1 over 2. And then you calculate that, so that would be about
282.84 mg.
So 282.84 milligrams would be how much is left in your body after one time period. So let's move on to part C. So part C, we're going to write how long until there is 10% left. So, Nataysia, you remember logs, right?
I guess.
Alright, so how about you come up to the board and I'll guide you along with using logs.
Fine.
Okay, so you're going to start with your start amount, which is 400. And then times that by 10% as a decimal.
0.10.
No, Nataysia, 0.1.
Same thing.
And what does that equal?
I don't know.
40. So that is going to be your end amount. So remember the equation? Or the formula?
Yes.
So your formula is over here. Where do you think you would place it? Yes. So plug it all into the formula.
What's next?
Divide by your start amount.
100.
Yep. So, what's 40 divided by 400?
I don't know. I have a headache.
Oh yeah, I forgot you have a headache. You just did it right here.
0.10.
0.1.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so then remember the logs that you did last week?
Mm.
Okay, so just use your logs to figure out what t is. So write it in log.
Right?
Yes. So, do you know what you do with this?
I don't know.
So you're going to take this and you're going to bring it in front of the log.
Okay.
So now write that. You don't have to rewrite this. You can just rewrite this.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so how would you get rid of your log?
I don't remember.
You divide by your log.
Oh yeah.
You know what to do after this?
Nope.
Okay, you know what? I'll do it. You're taking too long since you have a headache.
Okay.
So, you're going to take your log 0.1, divide that by your log 1/2. And I'll give you about 3.3219, and then equals to your t over 2. And then to get rid of your 2, you're going to times. So then 3.3219 times 2 would give you 6.6438 is equivalent to t. So that's your time for about 10%, which is 100 milligrams left in your body. Nataysia, did you hear any of that?
Yeah. So how does this help me?
So this helps you by, after one time period, you'll have 282.84 milligrams left in your body. So let's say your time period was like an hour left, which is what we set this for. So then that's how many milligrams would be left in your body.
Okay.
So then on this one, part C, we did 10% is left, which is 100 milligrams. And that would take about 6.6 hours left for it to be completely dissolved and out of your body. So then until the next time you take ibuprofen again. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Just take some of these.
Oh yeah.
Hello, we've been learning about half-life.
What's half-life?
What? It got rid of my headache.